Hello YouTubers. In this video I want to show y'all a power lead system very important update. Okay, there's a very important update what they adding to power lead system, and it's very awesome, guys. They added update, you click on it, you can log in, but if you're not a member, you must become a member. I have the link below. This is a service very powerful that you create unlimited capture pages, sell pages, hangouts, video hangouts, change the video anytime, to promote anything online. You promote any website that you want with this service, and it's amazing how you can create landing pages, squeeze pages, video hangouts, and video postcard that you can send. And now they're finna introduce some very important updates where they introduce Power VIP site. Once you become a member, you log in, they're going to show you this information. So you click here to register, and they're gonna have a better way to email people by using a Gmail. When they go through your autoresponder and capture leads, and I'm gonna show you my contact list, that how many numbers I build for using this platform, and to generate more hot buyer leads and referrals. Okay, and you can check out my share codes. We do have hangouts every Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern time. So those hangouts are recorded and you can check them out. Very easy and powerful. But what's coming soon is they integrating more autoresponders. Right now they have Aweber that's integrated, but they're going to include get response, eye contact, consistent contact, GVO, pure leverage, Aweber, and Mailchimp. Some of those that I know personally is GVO, pure leverage, where it pays out 100% commission. So that's a way you can earn 100% commissions by promoting just a autoresponder, create a capture page and a sales page and a funnel to get more signups. And pure leverage or GVO on join these sites down. These are FAQ sites if you have any questions. But what was amazing is update is in this free leads. 11 is now available for free to all PLS affiliates. So once you become an affiliate and you would like to promote this great offer product, they're gonna give you endless free leads for free, guys. It's gonna teach you how to generate leads for free, and you're able to get access to it. Very awesome, guys. And people have been using that to generate leads. Once they have nothing to invest and generate leads and start getting paid. Okay, so that's also awesome. And you have the ability to get social profit, and with those $400 commissions and $50 overrides. And also they didn't show you, but they have a $100 commissions that you can earn one time and $25 override. You join the official PLS Facebook. Need help with a computer, visit our technology partners. Okay, and then you start referring people if you like. Like I said, refer your friends, earn $25. But you can become affiliate, and then the great thing is you get endless free leads forever. Okay, the training, plus I give you bonuses if you hit the link right now. I'm gonna set you up with a new system that I created by using Power Lead system. Okay, so I'm gonna click on here where it says see more information. But this is the back office. Like I said, get started. We're going to show you some steps how to use this platform. Very easy. How to companies you promote, how to promote anything using Power Lead system. So this is just an update. I wanted to show you the updates. Once you log in, they're going to show you this information about the training. If you hover over training, they have lots of training. Once you become affiliate or even a member, just to use the service. Okay.